Look, if you're still building PDFs that look boring and don't convert, I'm going to show you exactly how to build beautiful, high converting lead magnets with the help of Claude and what's known as Claude Artifacts. And the crazy part is that it's all done through simple AI prompting. What used to work like long 20-page PDFs or these crazy ebooks that people were providing for free don't work anymore. You need to make sure that you're creating interactive, beautiful lead magnets that someone can get and get a payoff immediately. So by the end of the video, you're going to learn how to create a bunch of different types of Claude artifacts for any use case. And for example, we have these 5 examples that I created. You can create like a calculator for your business lead magnets. You can create an audit checklist, a creator toolkit. So let's say you're an affiliate and you're promoting different products. You can open this up and let's say you are recommending specific products as an affiliate. Instead of using like Linktree or something crazy like that, you can actually build out your own custom landing page with your affiliate offers plugged in with your top recommendation. You can build out these cool little things. You can even create like a little slide in banner or a exit intent pop-up, but you can create your own little resource hub with all your favorite recommendations. Or let's say you have like a prompt vault that you want to sell for your audience or provide to your audience for free. You can create a prompt library all within Claude Artifacts. So these are really, really cool. You could really create anything you can think of. It doesn't have to be specifically for like marketing. You can create PDF workbooks. You can create calendars, these like organizational tools, anything that you want depending on your specific use case. And each of these are complete working pages, so your audience can easily get them for themselves. So here's the most important part when it comes to building these lead magnets, because you can't just build out random things that, don't pertain to your audience's problems. And you also don't want to just create something that has complete fluff and no actual useful information. So in order to create a good lead magnet, you need to solve one specific problem for one specific person in the fastest way possible. And you want to ask yourself these 3 questions. Who specifically is this for? Don't just say content creators. You want to say YouTube creators trying to write better scripts with the help of AI. Or don't say sports. You want to say pickleball players who are just starting out. Now, what does that one problem solve? You don't want to try to solve too many problems in one specific lead magnet, because you can offer that with your coaching services or your upsell or in your membership. Now, how fast can someone get that result? The faster the payoff, meaning they get their problem resolved quicker, the higher the potential conversion for getting that email. So now that we understand what makes a good lead magnet and why we use Claude Artifacts, let's go ahead and actually build out the system. The first step is we're going to need to have a design system, because you don't want to create Claude Artifacts or even any website landing pages without having some kind of color system in place, where you're going to get random things every single time, and you want to have a cohesive branding template. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this AI prompt here to create our design system, and it's all within Claude, which is very, very fast. Once you create this, you can add it into a Google Doc, into your Notion page, if you use that as a resource hub or wherever you maintain all of your files. So we're adding this XML prompt here for this design template. Now the cool thing here is it's going to ask us for our niche, our primary colors, brand personality. Now, let's say you already have a website in place. You can just insert your website and then also your niche, or you can ask it to help you with these colors. Like let's say you don't have a brand color theme at all. You can just add your personality. So for this example, I'm going to use money.com. They're a really cool website, and I think they have a lot of social media platforms as well. But we're going to go ahead and just add in, I want to model money.com and their brand theme. Of course, it needs to be a little bit different, but in regards to the font style, the light theme, I want to have something similar for all of my artifacts. Cool. So we have the entire money.com brand system. We have the font, the color theme, what the color palette is for each element on their website. We even got the typography and the sizing of that, which is like the font, any CSS variable blocks. So this is really, really in depth, which is good. Now we can either turn this into a 1-page style guide, which I think it's recommended. I'm going to say, okay, turn this into a PDF style guide that I can use for any scenario. So we just got back the brand style guide and it looks amazing. So let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger for you. Now you can see that we have the entire style guide, view 1. And it's a reusable design system that we can use for any artifact, page, or asset that we're building. We have the color palette, the brand assets. We even have all the typography here, which is awesome. The colors, the buttons, everything. So if there's something that you don't like, you can actually make this different and say like, hey, I don't like these colors. Let's go ahead and change it. Instead of having like a green fill, let's do a light blue fill. So these are just like kind of examples. This is just V1. But you can see it's even given different types of elements that we can use, and even came with some do's and don'ts, which is awesome. So you can see here with this, we can either download it and then you can add that into, let's say, a Claude project or any project with AI that you're working on, so you can always reference that style guide. So now that we built that, our next plan is to actually think of the lead magnet idea and the pain point. And we're going to use this two-step system to help us create the planning of our lead magnet in Claude Artifact and then actually building it out. So we're going to go ahead and copy this prompt, and I'm going to go ahead and just insert that in here. So I went ahead and added a example for credit building, and for people that already prepared their credit when it comes to like removing collection accounts and things like that, but now they have like a empty credit report with no credit score, or they're like at a 600. I want to create a template or a lead magnet that's going to provide them with all the steps to actually rebuild their credit. So after providing all the information, here is the recommended type. So specifically creating an interactive scoring and diagnostic tool, a credit rebuild roadmap, not a quiz, not a checklist. So it's giving us like the title, the full structure outline. You want to make sure that all this actually makes sense, looks good. I tried providing as much information back in the prompt, so that's really useful. You need to know your niche, of course. So it did model kind of what I said. And the core payoff is essentially improving your credit without needing to get like a credit card or anything like that. So this looks good. And then how it connects to your CTA. So I think overall this looks solid. Let's go ahead and have it build it. We're going to go back into this second prompt. And then we're going to use Intel Claude to build this entire artifact. So this is the workbook that Claude Artifacts is now built. And it's something that the user, when they get it, they can complete the workbook. And at the end of the workbook, they can download it and save their results. So this is really, really cool, really simple. And we'll just go through it together very quickly. So you're going to click on build your workbook. And then from here, just follow the steps, right? This is if you're the person who just downloaded this lead magnet. I'm going to go ahead and just click on some random ones so we can get through this. And you can see that this one's pretty cool. How much can you comfortably set aside for each month? They say $35. What worries you most about building credit? We'll say falling back into debt. Now, based off of those answers, the user now gets a workbook and a checklist to complete. So the first step is, in order to rebuild their credit based off of their answers, is to report the rent that they already pay. Now they can use a specific service, which is where you can add your affiliate links or more offers in the back end, and they can check these off. They can open up a credit builder loan, and they can check all of these things off as well. And then once they completed that, they can go ahead and save the workbook. So that's just a really cool way you can create an artifact, right? So there's so many different use cases for this. Now, once you made your edits, you refined it, improved it, and made sure anything that didn't work is working now, you can now publish it and make it simple as possible. Publish it as an artifact. You can host it on an app like Static.app, or you can make it even more polished and upload it to a place like Lovable. So again, Static.app is a place where you can host all of your Claude artifacts. And once you've created that artifact, you can just drag and drop the file to upload, and they have a very simple pricing setup. It's like $5 a month for 2 websites or 2 Claude artifacts. You get unlimited traffic, website analytics, all that good stuff. And they do have like a 7-day free trial, which is pretty cool. Now, what I currently do is I usually post these into Lovable and then create them and make them even more interactive and add like different elements, which is really, really powerful. You can see that I do this with a lot of my YouTube videos. Like I use them as follow along guides or presentations with my YouTube videos. So this is all built inside of Lovable, which you can honestly just have these kind of gated and have that as a lead magnet. And what you do is you essentially grab the HTML file and then you upload it into Lovable and then have it create that for you. So how does this all actually work? Well, you want to have an email marketing platform like Kit, Beehive, or whatever system that you're comfortable with. And then that's where you create your landing page and put that lead magnet in the back end. So your entire checklist that we just went through was you want to make sure that you answered who the lead magnet is for, what the problem was, how fast it can solve your audience's pain point. And then we built the design system. we planned the lead magnet, and then we created it, and then we were able to publish it live. And then you want to connect your email marketing platform of choice. So a great example is one of my YouTube videos here where I've gone ahead and added that into my YouTube description, my pinned comment, and it's built on top of Lovable. I'm using the Lovable domain, so it's like completely free. And you can see here that this is the companion guide, and people can easily download this. So now it's your turn to create your own Claude artifacts for your business and sell that as a lead magnet. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to reply. If you guys want to watch more videos like this, feel free to watch the ones that YouTube recommends next. I'll see you guys in that video.